Hey everybody, how you doing today? I'm Chef T, and on this episode, we're going to be making 3 delicious vegetarian dips. Our first dip is going to be a spicy buffalo style hummus. Our second one will be a street style elotes. Our third one is going to be a delicious, vibrant beet pesto. So let's get started. Okay, for the hummus, we'll be needing 1 can of garbanzo beans, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of blue cheese, 3 tablespoons of buffalo sauce, and the juice and zest of 1 lemon. We're gonna put all of that in a container and get it all blended up. Be careful not to over blend it with this oil, because if it gets hot, it will separate, and nobody likes a separated hummus. You want to keep it nice and silky smooth. All right, now that's all done, we'll add a little bit of salt to taste. And garnish with a dash of hot sauce, blue cheese, and scallion. Next up, we're going to start with our street style elotes. First, we're gonna start off with cooking our corn. You can cook the corn on a grill, you can steam it, but today we're going to be doing it on the stovetop. We're gonna cook our corn, keep rotating it so you get a nice little char all around the cob. Get it popping. This corn's popping like your party's gonna be popping when you serve these dips. Now that we have our corn all grilled off, we're going to cut it off the cob. I like to use a paper towel on the bottom just so the kernels don't go flying everywhere. Okay, now that we have our corn all grilled off, we're gonna mix everything together. Start with getting our corn in our bowl. Add 1 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/2 cup of cheese, a 1/2 of red bell pepper diced, the zest and juice of 1 lime, a handful of chopped cilantro, and we're gonna mix all this up. A little bit of salt and a little bit of smoked paprika. And you can add a little jalapeño to turn it up a notch if you like a little spice in your life. Okay, now that we have everything all mixed together, we're going to put it in our serving bowl and put it in the fridge until we are ready for our party. Garnish with a little paprika and cilantro. Now for a beet pesto. Let's move to the oven where I have roasted 2 beets. I rub them with a little olive oil and season them with salt and pepper before wrapping them in foil, cooking them at 375 for 45 minutes. If the beets are fork tender, that means they are done. After letting the beets cool off a little, we will remove the skin. We are going to puree one and dice up the other one. Now let's get the puree started. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of almonds, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, salt to taste, and a 1/4 cup of water to thin it out a little bit. Now that we have our beet pesto all nice and silky, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients to our dip. Now let's add a 1/2 cucumber diced, our diced beet, and 2 chopped scallions. So now that everything's in the bowl, we're gonna get it all mixed up. Oh mama, look at that lovely color. Let's get it in a bowl and finish it with a little scallion for garnish. And there you have it, 3 easy, delicious vegetarian dips. If you enjoy this video, please comment, like, subscribe. Until next week, peace out.